What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You already know what time it is. You already already on the latest reaction channel on YouTube. You already know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button. Stop playing with me. You alright? When I don't see what we are doing to the people, yeah man, we done a banger. You already know we can always come with them hits, with them lit reactions. And yeah man, today is no different. You already know it. We coming with one from today. We coming with Skeng, Elvis Presley. You already know what time it is. We're gonna react to this one, see what I go on. You don't know, Skeng, hot night dancehall scene, upcoming artist, hot night dancehall. Well, more than upcoming dog boss already, you mean so. Dog guys do different things and trying out different, there's different style, different swag mad. You mean everybody see my gangster after, but this seems like it's all time normal. Elvis Presley, you know what I'm saying? That's I expect him to come with that song named Elvis Presley. So I definitely want to see what it's about and what I deal with on the track here. You see me, because I don't know say if I fuck with her, tell you, we're going to talk it through. You're going to make it be known, say you're a fuck with. You see me, I say. So I hope Skeng know what I do. I want to open you the thing right. So you don't know, without further ado, I jump right now in the track. This is Skeng, Elvis Presley. Let's get it. Good man, visual quality nice. I hope.
Hey Topper, they don't want us to party, my nigga.
Party man. Dog a tongue in a tune. Your style kind of mad still different than the color your thing. You see me? And blue. You see me?
This a dancehall Elvis Presley. How make this? Chan Coop and the truth is an exit. Pop will get chip, young and reckless. New year them penos pan the deck. Some walking style, them thing right. Neat
Dancehall Elvis Presley.
time confuse them mind. Madder than the first time I ratted in my right. Fuck your feel pussies for me make a climb. Got clean sweep, still I do it my G. We are on 14 as a young OG. Respect from money, make you well soaking. Skeng bang hard about like a villain. Young like rockstar and a pop star. Pop Molly with the pop tar, with the actor. Hell's funny hard, gunman, never lap star. When you touching at the club, y'all think a Santa. Man, I live like rockstar.
Man, live like rock star.
I'm a pop star.
I'm a pop star. I'm telling man. Man say I live like a rock star and a pop star.
I'm living the pop star, in the car. Hell's funny hard, gunman, never lap star. When we touching at the club, y'all think a Santa. Oh God.
Man say when we touching at the club, y'all think a Santa. Easy, you know.
That's how it is. Me ever clean. So I say, you don't even know we have a girl panani.
Easy, you know, man. So we do it ever clean. You don't even know we have a girl on our knees. Easy, no man. Talk to them, no Skeng.
You will have Carol's skin. Thank God, must stop tape now.
I like the video. The video nice. I heard them shoot all this or overseas or Florida. I like this. I like the scene, man. I like give the advice. I heard this, man. Look on the taxi. You have all the plate and the blow the tag on the screen, on the windshield. Yeah, man, I heard, man. It's a nice look. Nice to go, yeah, like this one.
We have big bad girl there in my Jeep. Tonight me I go party and get fucked up and get a new girl when we can done something.
Tonight me I go party, get fucked up and get a new girl when we can dump. Easy no man, that man.
Rum punch, feeling out by the night, don't you show her up. I live like rockstar and a pop star. Pop Molly with the pop tar, with the actor. Hell's funny hard, gunman, never lap star. When you touching at the club, y'all think a Santa.
Good.
Like rockstar and a pop star. Pop Molly.
Easy no Skeng. I like the vibe where you come with, dog. Make your man live so alive. You look nice, man. The coconut tree, I definitely this man. You're so nice, man. Nice place, yeah, it's Jamaica, so beautiful. Yeah.
Living the pop tar, with the actor. Hell's funny hard, gunman, never lap star. When we touching at the club, y'all think a Santa. This a dancehall Elvis Presley. How we make this? Chan Coop and the truth is an exit. Pop will get chip, young and reckless.
Pop will get chip, young and reckless. Easy no man, mama, damn. Girl, you fine. Yeah, Gucci. Easy no mama. Easy.
New year them penos pan the deck. Some walking style, them thing right.
Easy. Whew. Yeah, man. Tono. Y'all feel good. Hey.
Neat and time confuse them mind. Madder than
See a gunman walk with the guitar. Easy, no?
the first time I rocked it in my right. Fuck your feel pussies for me make a climb.
I'ma feel like Elvis. Yeah, let me see all sexy ladies make some nice some.
Yeah, yeah, do see Skeng one smile like that, easy, though. Skeng, very marketable. And this is very playable, bro. This is very radio, edit. Yeah, man. Skeng, I like that. I like, man. Big man thing, I like that. This is very marketable. This is very commercial. Yeah. Give that kind of marketable for this. White people, I definitely gonna hear the white people play this. Elvis Presley. And the people that love Elvis, so yeah, man. Skeng, you know what you're doing. Yes, man, looking to see, what this track does and see where, where you take your career in the future, man. You see me, you gotta do your thing, bro, and I'm happy for you, man. Keep doing your thing. Keep striving for the best, make dancehall proud, make yourself proud, make your people proud, keep doing your thing, shoot the star, and I'm gonna keep going. But yeah, man, Elvis Presley, bad track, the video definitely dope, the girls in the nice, the beat is nice. This is definitely a different track, definitely something I need to expect from Skeng, which is, known as such a trap, dancehall, gangster artist. So this is very different. It's nice to see dog loosen up in the video. You see me, loosen up on this track and have some fun with it. And that's the dog I do. Dog I show you say, yo, I'm have some fun with it. And dog I put the fun back in the dance hall. And that we all need, man. Them two screw up and feel like them two gangsters have some fun. You see me? But yeah, man, dope track, dope video. Girls in a nice video, visual quality, etc. Yo, the whole video quality that's nice. You know me? So yeah, man, if you like it, go show your artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco send you. You already know. Hit that like button. Come on, man. I'm looking for 50 likes on this video. Come on, hit it. Come on, like up the video, man. I'm looking for 50 likes. Show your boy some love and support. You don't know it's your boy Jambisco. I was here with another hit and smash and a banger. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.